Hey guys, it's me Aiden and I'm here with
Ava, hi.
And earlier in the week we ordered a Fitbit Blaze from Best Buy, and a few days ago we got the Fitbit Blaze charger, and I was pretty upset because I thought, oh man, I didn't get the Blaze. I must have got ripped off or something, but no, it came in today, and so let's open it. Ava, you can get the other side. Bagging, packages, and here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for, the Blaze. So the Blaze can track steps, distance, active minutes, and calories burned. I think it can track your heart rate too, and long battery life. It says, from my research, it says about 5 days. You can customize it as other Fitbits, and it has pretty cool features. It has this case, and you can change it to a digital clock, but on here it shows an analog. So in order to charge it, you have to take it out of this, the metal cage it sits in.
And you have to put it in this.
And then you flip the little door open. Flip the thing open, and then you take it out and put it in there, and then you close it, put the plug in, and then you have it charging. So as you can see, I got the blue band, and let's open it. It's hard to open. Oh, and there's an app that you can do workouts on. Tough. Okay. Cool blue box. Oh, here it is. All right, everybody, here it is. The Fitbit. So as you can see, it has the metal cage I was telling you about around here, 2 buttons, and it has a little screen here. You can adjust it by flipping this and stuff, and Ava's opening up the charger. So do you need help, Ava? Okay, Ava, open it up. Here, I think we have the information, and we have a few of these boxes, and from my research, it told me that you can change the background color. And like I said, this opens up like this, and then you put the screen in the thing, and then you close it, and you plug it into an outlet, and then it'll charge. So yeah, and if you're wondering why Ava has her hair done up and stuff, she's getting rich. She has a dance recital. And yeah. Bye guys.